Right, welcome back to the Yorkshire Dales. Actually, it's the Forest of Bowland I'm working in, the little district. I've been promising myself this field for a long time. I don't know if there's anything here, but I need a change. There's 2 cows in here. I don't like the look of that. There should be more. I just hope it's not a bull. Right, into action. Well, we have a bronze penny, 1917. I'm getting ambitious. They didn't make bronze pennies in 1817. George V. Hey, a coin. Right, a bit of iron about, but I'm recognising it. A little bit of rolled up lead. Thought it was a seal, but no. A large button. Copper, of course, brass, bronze, whatever. It's looking quite promising, this place. A really sharp 94 in both directions is usually a big chunk of bronze, brass. And this is off a chimney sweep's stick that he shoved up the chimney, look. There's the bit of wood that screws into the next bit, and they just keep shoving them up the chimney. Either that or it's for sewers, drains. Another button. That gave a tremendous signal. So I switched to Deus fast, which was very reluctant to find it. And then he gave it a 92 in both directions, but very reluctant. It just can't match the GM power for actually locating something. Nothing as nosy as cows, is there, eh? They've got up, come on, what are you doing? Well, what I'm doing is finding horseshoes. Horseshoe, I should say. Look! Horseshoe. I don't do iron. I shall leave it in that fence. Another coin ball caught up in the same hole, up in the top sod. So common sense says it's another buckle, doesn't it? But since when did common sense ever mean anything to a metal detectorist? Come on, come on, come on, where are you? There you are. And yeah, you're another buckle, aren't you? There you go. Another buckle. And another one caught up in the sod. Come on. Buckle number 3. There you go. Now, they could have been sovereign. What do you want? Nosy, that's what you are. You're just nosy. Oh, come on, you're taking the piss. I've heard a coin, will you get off my shovel? And that's my shoe, leave it alone. Oh, I've heard of coin spills, seal spills, but never buckle spills. 4 of them, eh? Look at that, look, look, look. Do you want a close-up of a cow? Get out of my pocket. Oh, come on. Another one in the same hole. 5 buckles, I don't know. This is ridiculous. There we are. And I'm getting more signals. Jeez. 7 buckles. All in a one hole. It's silver. And it was down deep. Look at the size of that hole. I think it's a Victorian sixpence. Oh, I'm having trouble with cameras today. I'm going to do this very quickly. This is the result of the hunt in that field. 7 buckles, a clay pipe. Look at the tiny size of that bowl. Must have been like smoking a cigarette. Buttons, 6pence, penny, halfpenny. Yay! 1856 Victoria silver 6pence. Lead weight. I think it's a miniature spindle whorl. And odds and ends and bits. Right, after that I went down to the seal field. And here's the result of the seal field. 16 seals. Horse brass, a couple of marks there where the bar went across. Buckle, nice seals. But my camera's playing up and it's going to throw it all out. It just will not convert it right, so I'm going to do my best. Nice big manager seal there, look. Beauty. So there's the result of the whole hunt. 2 cameras and neither of them will work properly. It's out there, go get it, even if you can't photograph it. Bye.